In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with ClickUp. We'll walk through a quick workflow to set up your list view and surface the columns that matter, specifically assignee and sprints, so your team can see exactly who's doing what and when. First, open ClickUp and head to the list you want to work on inside your workspace. If you've got multiple spaces and folders, navigate through them until you land on the list that contains your tasks. You'll know you're there when you see a table-like layout with task names lined up in rows and a series of columns across the top. Next, make sure you're in the list view. At the top of the page, or in the left sidebar, click List to switch from any other layout like Board, Calendar, or Gantt. The list view gives you a compact, spreadsheet-style display that's ideal for scanning tasks, making bulk edits, and managing fields side by side. Now, open your Columns menu. Look toward the upper right area of the list for the Columns control. This may appear as a button labeled Columns, a gear icon, or a plus sign to add fields. Click it to reveal all the fields you can show or hide in this view. A quick tip: keep only the columns you actually use visible. This keeps the view clean and loads faster, especially on large lists. Let's enable Assignee. In the Columns panel, find Assignee and click it to add or reveal the assignee column in your table. This immediately shows who is responsible for each task and makes ownership crystal clear. Once it's visible, you can click the assignee cell in any row to assign or reassign with just a couple of clicks. If you need fast organization, click the assignee column header to sort by owner, which helps you balance workload at a glance. Next, turn on Sprints. Still in the Columns menu, find Sprints and click it. This adds the sprint field to your list, so every task displays the sprint it belongs to. It's especially helpful if your team plans in iterations, because you can quickly scan what's scoped for the current sprint and what's coming next, without leaving the list. If you don't see sprints as an option, your workspace may need that feature enabled or the sprint field added to your templates. That's it. You navigated to your list, switched to the list view, opened the columns controls, and surfaced assignee and sprints. From here, drag columns to reorder them, resize for readability, and collapse anything you don't need to keep the view streamlined. Your changes are saved automatically, so the next time you open this list, your configuration will be ready to go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.